Got my frame horn welded on. Those blue mercy seeds were welded on the inside. Already welded everything up out here and ground it down. Pieced it together right straight across there. And see right there. Still gotta put the holes for a 68 bumper on here. Those are for 74. Yep, I know, my welds suck, but I'm still on top of it, bounced up down. I weigh almost 200 pounds. Put a 2x4 right there and whacked it with an 8-pound sledgehammer pretty good. Didn't do anything. So all it's going to hold your radiator support and the front fender, so I figure at the most that's 450 pounds. Also, just for some integrity, I'll weld all the way through there, ground that down. As you can see up in there, it's ugly, but I can't get to it. It's that big old thick plate of steel that I got in there. There's another one up on the top there to brace it all. Since I welded the other side, I went ahead and did this one. Did that today, and got that thing ready. The hood's ready for another coat of primer, final coat. So we got to do some body work on this side. Got the fenders ready. It turned out really nice. They're smooth. Got to sand them with 400 grit water sand it. That'll be really nice. In a day or so, I'm probably going to edge these in. Let that paint be drying. And then after I get all that done, I gotta edge that in, put it all together. Well, I haven't decided if I'm going to paint it apart or paint it together. So, if I paint it apart, you got less chance of getting runs in it. But when you put it back together, you got more chances of scratching and chipping it. Decisions. So, that was my day. Hope y'all had a good one.